we have arrived at Brands Hatch for the last round of the British touring cars. Dan and I are lucky enough to have been invited by the guys at Thinkcar, and yeah,
should be a good day.
We're looking forward to a good day. Look at that, guys. VIP, Dan.
VIP
Hospitality at the last round of the touring cars. Let's go.
Love it.
Check this out, people. So we are at Hospitality today at the last round of the touring cars, and we will be with Aron Taylor-Smith Racing and the team Toyota. And I've got the main man with me here, Dan. This is looking nice in here, Dan, isn't it? Look at this.
It's very nice.
Look at this, people. Have a look at this. So hopefully we're going to go well today and see what we got. Rushing for the garage tour because we're late.
As usual.
We're in it.
Or on the right hand side of the car, I'd be like a fish out of water. Do you know, I'm trying to open the door to change gear, be all over the shop. But for whatever reason, whenever you get in the touring car, it just becomes second nature. And it's because you probably sit so far back inside the car and so far central to improve the weight distribution.
Right, so we are here for the final round of the British touring cars. And luckily for us, the guys over at Thinkcar provided the hospitality tickets for today. So a massive shout out to the guys at Thinkcar. Excited to be here. Dan's massively excited. I don't think Dan got much sleep last night.
First time at a BTC, so yeah, it's been exciting.
So he definitely didn't get any sleep. I'm never sleeping because I'm always thinking about what the next car we can buy, but don't tell my wife. But yeah, hospitality today. In fact, it's VIP hospitality today because you know, well, get that bit right. You know,
Wine and dine today, haven't we?
Wine to dine. So yeah, the Porsches are just going out for the first session.
There you go.
Yeah, they're off, and then we should be joined by the touring cars straight after that. So, massive thank you to you guys, because without you guys, we wouldn't be here. It literally is a case of you guys sharing, liking everything that we do. It's allowed us to be here today. So a massive thank you to you all. And onwards and upwards. Going to be, I think, a fairly warmish day. It's not going to be, I think it's going to be perfect turbo weather, and it's the full GP circuit. So it should be a good day. In a minute, I'm going to get out of the garage. can't open it.